So the way you play 2048 is you drag across the screen, top to bottom, or right to left, or the other way around, to try and combine numbers that are the same. So as you can see, you have numbers 2 and 2 here. So if we drag top from bottom to the top, we will end up with 4. And now we can drag again to the top, and we can combine these two into 8, and so on. And the point of this game is you try and reach as high of a number as you can before you run out of empty spaces, because every time you make a move, a new number gets added. In this case, this number got added. So yeah, try to move things around and shuffle them and try to combine them so you can get as high of a number as you can. So yeah, that's how you play it.